There are two ways you can have someone join a Google Meet via their phone. One is you can call them, and the other is you can give them a phone number they can call into. I'm going to show both methods. I apologize, my voice is going. But for you to call someone outside of the Google Meet, you click on the People button and then Add People, and then Call. And here you would type in the phone number of the person you're trying to call, and they, of course, see a phone number that is not your personal phone number, but simply a number that Google is using to make this outgoing call. So that's one way to make calls, where you can keep your phone number confidential. Another way to use Google Meet for calls is by going to Meeting Details, and here you can see a phone number that you could give out to people who need to call into the Zoom or into the Google Meet. And so this phone number will get that person into the Google Meet, and then you can allow them all the way into the meeting. Good luck.